Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTEK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. And unfortunately, though, things are looking pretty shaky, depending on where you bought, I suppose. But when you stop thinking about the fact, and you can just tell from the volume down here, the majority of the volume came on this big spike right here. So you know that a bunch of poor souls were buying up around this area of the chart. And then just to see all that selling pressure show up, a pretty rough move there. But the main areas, at least in my opinion, going forward from the technical point of view, are going to be from the support side of things. And nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today on several occasions? And that was right down there at $1.50. You can see a few times right there, price got down there and bounced. And, you know, that's definitely going to be the level. And I should note that the markets are still open for a little while longer. So as I talk, this is pretty nice here. The price is now once again down at the $1.50 mark. So as I talk about the rest of the analysis, the question becomes, you know, can the price actually stay above that $1.50 mark? So far it has, but as I wrap up the video here with the next couple of talking points, you know, we can keep an eye on that, you know, playing out real time here. Now, in the event that $1.50 mark does not quite hold up, next key level, not until that gap close location down there at $1.25. Now, do gaps have to close? No, nothing has to happen in the market. If that was the case, then that would imply there's guarantees, and there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But my point here is that $1.50 mark, if it does not quite hold up, then that next level, not until essentially down there at the $1.25 mark. Now, in the event the price decides it wants to start to work its way back upwards, as far as the resistance levels are concerned, first key level right up there at the $2 mark. And actually, I'm just going to leave it at that. Yeah, next key level would be up in the 240s. But let's just first see if the price can even reverse around and then get above $2 before, you know, you really put too much focus on any of these other levels. But as of now, yeah, things are looking pretty shaky, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.